basically, man, I was down there taking pictures where I always take pictures at, and this is the second time that a police officer has messed with me out here, man. Just what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. If you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, man. So we're gonna make it real quick because I got an Uber on my way or on their way to come get me. Sorry for the video at the beginning because its quality is gonna be horrible. I forgot my camera, so I'm using my phone. I'm at Brian's right now, y'all. I'm dropping off, as you can see, I'm at Brian's. I'm dropping off the Impala. I'm in the Impala, y'all. It's done, but it does need an alignment, so I'm dropping it here. I'm waiting on the Uber. I gotta meet up with bro. My Cadillac SDS is done, so we good there. I'll show y'all that, and we got a whole bunch of other stuff going on. People going crazy. So let's figure this out. Let's get some car sold. Let's make some blue faces. Let's get it. All right, man. So we in the STS right now. I got it cleaned out, vacuumed it out, washed it off, and everything. So now we are getting ready to go out to the office. So I got an appointment set for the Hyundai Sonata, and then I got somebody coming from Iowa, which is 4 hours away, for the Dodge Avenger. So I should have 2 cars sold today, and then hopefully, who knows, man, this STS might end up selling too, so that'll be dope. But yeah, it's most definitely busy time of the year, and most definitely keeping it moving and grooving. So I'll see y'all in a second. Let's get it.
Woo! Sheesh! Taking over, taking off. It's smashing like you got this fast. Woo! 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 I'm up, 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 I'm up. We up, we up. I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up. We up when we come through. We got a blue hue. We up, we up.
All right, y'all. So I am at the office right now, y'all. I'm in the Sonata. So I'm basically waiting on her. She's about 15-20 minutes out, and then we're gonna get this thing sold. Then basically, y'all see where I go, man, because, you know, half the time when I say I'm doing something, it don't end up being like that anyway. Oh man, I wish I should have got this on camera, but I was taking, like I said, man, I forgot my actual camera, and that's why I'm using my phone right now. And basically, man, I was down there taking pictures where I always take pictures at, and this is the second time that a police officer has messed with me out here, man. I mean, it is what it is, man. You see me, so I ain't tripping on it. But dude basically pulled over and was like he was following us, right? So we were coming up here from the Holiday gas station, and then he was right behind us. Then he sped up, got on the bumper, started reading the plates. Obviously it came up as a dealership. So I'm like, hey, bro, give me that dealer plate, because I didn't even have it in the back, because the tabs are current. So I just put it up there. Then we pulled over to the side because I'm getting ready to make a U-turn. Obviously, I didn't want to make a U-turn in front of him. So he pulls up. I'm like, I mean, I've been harassed by cops my whole life, so I already know what they're going to do. So anyways, man, he drove up, and I'll kind of show y'all, actually. So he drove up, y'all, and right at that corner where that fire hydrant is, let me see, I just messed up the focus. So where that fire hydrant is, y'all, that is pointed at, he stopped right there so I could see him all the way down there, about like a quarter of a mile down. So anyways, we did our U-turn, start taking our pictures, and then we see him coming back. My bro's like, all right, he's on his way back. Comes back. I'm still taking my pictures. He's like, you guys need some help? I'm like, no, we don't need any help. Oh, okay, you guys sure? And I'm like, no, we don't need any help. Oh, okay, what you guys doing? Well, taking some pictures. So he's like, So my bro, see me, I'm different than my bro. So I don't care about the cops, y'all. Like, I respect them, but like at the same time, like I'm not intimidated by them. So like I said, I respect them, but I'm not intimidated by them. So he ended up, and that's no jabs at any police officers out there, man. Like, y'all do y'all job, y'all risk your life, all that good stuff. I'm just saying, some cops, not all cops, some cops, the cops that decide to go above and beyond, like you have people that go above and beyond at O'Reilly's. If y'all watch my vlog, you get people like that in all different, shapes and forms and different jobs and all that stuff. So I just knew that he was gonna turn back around and it was gonna be like that. So, but my bro was like, man, we got our dealership, it's right down the road. Oh, okay. You guys sure you don't need no help? Nah, man, we good. So he rolls off, and that's the end of that, man. So it is what it is, man. But you just kind of take it and just keep on moving. So as y'all can see, man, I still got a smile on my face, man. I still am energized. And we're gonna keep it moving and keep it grooving, man. So just stay positive, man. Stay focused, and don't let nobody negative energy mess with you. That's the biggest thing, man. See you in a second. Money face, man. Got the Sonata sold, man. So I'm super ecstatic about that, y'all. That thing's out of there. Twan got an appointment for his F-150 at 1:30. So that's gonna be dope. So he should be making some blue faces. So we cool, man. So these people, they still owe me $250 though, because they didn't have enough cash and they couldn't transfer the money from the savings. So we all good, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, so super dope, man. And what else we got going on, man? So still waiting on the person from Iowa. So that thing might be sold soon. And we're just keeping it moving and grooving, man. So I think, she's still over there waiting, but yeah, man. So feels good, feels good. That's all I can say, man. Let's get it. Okay, y'all, so I'm back at the office, and out here, you can, let me see, my bad, y'all. I ain't got my little camera thing, so it's tight. But out here, you can see they are driving the F-150. So I'm showing my brother's F-150 right now. This dude decided to wear flip-flops today. So, and I, of course, as y'all know, got the trusty the boots that have been through everything. The fake Timbs, no, they're real Timbs, but they aren't the Timbs that everybody likes. So I ended up, anyways, I got to show the car for him, man, because he was a little embarrassed by himself. So it is what it is. And then obviously I'm gonna let you guys know what's going on. So I got to do this paperwork and everything, get it started, just in case they do decide to buy it. So let's see what happens. Okay, you guys. So my bro did not sell his F-150, and the Avenger people are 2 hours out. So they are actually 2 hours late. So I don't know what's going on. So either way it goes, man, I got to go drop him off at the house. And then I got to come back here. I guess I'll wait until they confirm they're an hour out. And yeah, man, I'm a little tired, man. I did go take a nap, man, in the weight room. Big tired, man. So let's get to it, man. Let's get this day going. Hopefully we get this other car sold, then we'll be straight. What's up, y'all? So I'm back at the office. I done already dropped my bro off. He actually ended up coming 5 minutes right behind me. I stopped, had me a little lunch break, got me a little car wash for the Tahoe, and he had an appointment. So now we both out here finna sell these cars. So he's finna show his Durango. I don't think I showed y'all that yet, but he's finna show the Durango. I'm finna show the Avenger. The chick, man, she's still late, man. I'm sure. But I got automatic, man. So she still ended up being late an hour. So she's about like 7 hours late, I think, or something. I don't know, but she off the chain with it, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, but it is what it is, man. Just gonna keep it moving, keep it grooving. I'm gonna keep y'all posted, and then let y'all know what happened. This is the Dodge Avenger right here. So got it clean, just showing it for the new folks. Y'all know how I do it, man. Nice clean interior, ready to go. I don't want to be playing with no folks about this car, man. You know what I'm saying? So real clean car, so I'm not even going to entertain no offer on it, man. People are going crazy about the car, and I think it's because of the red. I probably should have priced it out a little bit more, but it is what it is, man. Go ahead and pass this blessing on, but let's get to it. Okay, my people, so the people from Iowa are here. I am simply just waiting on them to get back from the test drive, and then we will see what happens, man. Wish me luck. Let's get it. Money face, man. Car is sold, so the Avenger's going in the Sonata same day, man. So it feels good, feels good, feels good, man. That's all I can say. Bad news on my bro, he didn't sell his car. He a little frustrated because he showed it to like 4 people today. But it is what it is, man. He good. He gonna sell some cars, man. So I gotta keep telling him, man, stay positive and you'll be straight. Cause y'all know I was hurt for like a whole month and a half, couldn't sell nothing. And actually my brother was selling like crazy at that time, man. But it is what it is, man. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow on a better vlog. Well, I feel like this is a pretty good vlog, but unfortunately I didn't have my camera. but it's all good, man. We took it back to the old school days, man. Them day ones, man, and we made it happen, man. So I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.